The 400 men are also on top when Rusheen McDonald is in the final. Let's hear from him.
Just tell me what your thought process was going into this semi-final.
Just to make the final, that what my coach told me, so I just work on step. So tomorrow come, 43 gonna run. We're definitely gonna run 43.
All right, Rusheen, all the very best, man, and we look forward to that.
And thank you. Big up Jamaica, one love. Big up TVJ.
I was a little embarrassed that the sportsman and the sportswoman foundation and this gentleman came up to me and said, well, I never wanted him shake him hand and him say, you don't know me? And I said, no, because I have something to do. And him said, Rusheen McDonald. And I said, oh, how are you? I was a little disappointed that I didn't pick him up early, but your thoughts?
So the best thing that could have ever happened to Rusheen McDonald is for him to showboat at the national championships, slow down, almost lose the national championship, covering his lips with his finger, and missing the automatic standard. Having come out of that, he went to Europe to try to meet the automatic standard 44.85, was unable to meet it on the circuit, and having experienced that, he says, whenever I run a 400-meter race now, I'm going to run through the line. He did it in the heats, ran a great season best 44.38, and got into the semis. Got into the hottest semi because people ran 44.1 and had to sit down in the baby queue seats to wait to see if they got times. He ran 44.04 and is now the 5th fastest man in the world this year, just off his national record of 43.93. So the best thing, a lot of people criticized him. Let me raise my hand, because I was also one of the critics. I'm like, Big Boy, run through the... I'm sorry, Big Boy is his nickname. Rusheen, run through the line, make the team, make the standard. Having not done that and taken a real beating, he now runs through the line and is in the final.
Anyone in your medal thing in this race?
No, but you can never count out Big Boy. He's that special. Anything is possible with Big Boy. And I'm really impressed with the back-to-back dropping of his times. You know, he's been very controversial in that when he broke the national record, a lot of people were like, did that really happen? And because it was kind of a one-and-done thing and he didn't reproduce, he's always had a lot of doubters, people angry sometimes when he's even on the 4x4. So for him to show up in the heats with a season's best, 44.3, come back 44.0, the second fastest going in, I love it.
Can we also point out that when Antonio Watson won the World Championships last in 2023 in Budapest, his time, well, in the semis was 44.13. So Big Boy, Rusheen is already ahead of that pace. But I'd like to throw a question to Warren Weir. Warren, I want you to be ready, and you're not going to drop the ball on this one, Warren. Tell me if you're ready.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Which high school did Rusheen McDonald attend? You have it,
honestly, right? Big Boy is my friend, but I don't remember.
Okay, I thought you had it.
Daniel
okay,
knows.
Daniel?
Garvey Maceo.
Garvey Maceo. The reason I'm mentioning this, Warren, is because of Kishane Thompson, who Garvey Maceo and just got a silver medal in the 100 meters. Sorry, Warren, I thought I threw that one up.
Cubans.
It's early. It's early.
Right. So, Akro, take me to the final.
All right. Firstly, when I saw those semifinals, I was like, someone is going to be crying. And people are already crying for not being in the finals. We see medalists not advancing. Nowhere we would have looked to be seen Ja'Cory Patterson on the bubble waiting to go in. This final will be won by who wants it the most. Big Boy definitely, for us, I know we keep saying Big Boy because that's how we talk to him, but Rusheen McDonald definitely has a chance of going in. His redemption story will be one to tell. He has been getting beaten from the Jamaican public, left, right, and center, but he will always come out there and give his best, and it will be one for the tables because he said, yo, you go to 43, so let's wait on his 43 and wonder where we'll bring him.